Solana price prediction. Solana had a massive dump, and I was saying I'm wait for shorts to start closing H3 so we can buy. We did. We got a nice bump to the upside, but not only that. Right now on the basically in the last video on Friday, I said we're gonna be dumping. We're gonna be dumping. We were at 245, $247, and what we saw was money flow. This thing right here on the daily chart going down, VWAP curving down, and right now we cannot see anything different. We cannot see on other coins. Yes, we're seeing it. Yes, we do have some longs opening. Yes, short are super high at 85. This is just a huge amount of shorts. These need to be closed, but it seems like this move isn't over. So for today, I'll wait on my hands, sit on my hands. I will not be buying anything in terms of, so I'll wait for a bigger jump to start bidding. And that's it. I'll make a new video tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. So if you want to learn more from me, link in the description down below. And also, we have over 8 grand worth of bonuses from BingX, so do check them out. See you next video.